Hello! In this video I'm showing you the final step of making a handmade silver bracelet, securing the clasp. Jewelry making has been an essential part of Iranian culture for centuries. Persian artisans have mastered the art of crafting silver and gold jewelry, using traditional techniques passed down through generations. Iranian silver craftsmanship is known for its delicate details and intricate designs. Each piece is more than just jewelry. From ancient times to today, silver and gold have been symbols of beauty, wealth, and artistic expression in Persian culture. The process of making silver jewelry involves several steps, from melting and shaping the metal to engraving and polishing. The final step, securing the clasp, is crucial, as it ensures that the bracelet is both functional and beautiful. Since the bracelet is completely handmade, some parts may not be perfectly identical, unlike machine-made jewelry. But that's what makes handmade pieces unique. They carry the artist's personal touch and character. As I fasten the clasp, you can see the result of hours of detailed work. This bracelet entirely handmade, crafted with care, reflecting beauty of Persian artistry. If you enjoyed watching this part of process and would like to see the full journey of making silver and gold jewelry from start to finish, let me know in the comments. Your support helps me create more content about Persian culture and craftsmanship.